Hey guys, welcome to How to Zone. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix liquid detected, or my iPhone is showing liquid detected problem. So let's just get straight into the video. Immediately, the first thing you want to do is unplug everything. So disconnect any lightning or USB-C cables and accessories. Also try to gently tap the iPhone against your hand with the connector facing down to remove excess liquid. And what you want to do is leave the iPhone in a dry area with some airflow for at least 30 minutes. Do not use your dryer or hot air, because that is going to make the problem even worse. You can also use wireless charging. You can safely use a MagSafe or QI certified wireless charger while the port dries. If no liquid is present, and if it is a false alert, what you want to do is a simple restart, which will clear software glitches causing false alerts. You can also press and release the volume up and the down button, and then hold the side button or the power button until Apple logo appears, which is going to force restart your phone. So also a couple of important warnings: do not charge your phone while it is wet, or never dry your iPhone until or using an external heat source like a hairdryer, or insert a cotton swab into the connector. If the phone still doesn't charge after 24 hours, then the best thing you can do is contact Apple support, as the port may be dried. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.